everybody. This week we are in Taipei, which is located in Taiwan. And before I show you what we've done so far, I thought I'd give you a tour of our apartment. So follow me. So this is our little side alley where our apartment is located, and as you can imagine, we first got here at night and it was pretty scary coming down this little tiny, pretty sketchy alleyway at night to find our apartment. Since then we've kind of gotten used to it, but it still looks a little sketchy. Here we are. So here is our apartment in Taipei, and we'll go to the sitting room first. There's not a whole lot to see here. There's a couch, and over here we have a TV. It actually has English speaking channels, which is something we hadn't really seen before. They have like CNN, Cartoon Network, and a few others that I can't remember. The sitting room also came with this odd yellow whatever it is. It appears to be like a horse or a dog. We aren't really sure, but Eden got a lot of entertainment out of playing with it, so yeah. And now we will go to our beds over here. Again, not a whole lot to see over here. The beds were comfortable, nothing too exciting. And over here is the dining room. We played a lot of cards here, we ate. It appears to have undergone some renovation or been spruced up recently. There's a lot of like pipes and stuff that you can see here. There's like a pipe, a meter. They appear to have just put this in. And you can see there's some more of it in the dining room as shelving. So anyways, we just thought that was kind of neat, and I will take you over to our laundry room, which, as you can see, is open air, which is why we keep this closed all the time. You can hear it is pouring outside. So we keep this closed to reduce the noise and keep the rain out. Okay, now our little bathroom. It is really super dark in here because one of the lights just went out the other day. But it's interesting because there isn't really a separate shower, it's just this shower curtain. The shower does not have a lot of water pressure, and there's like 3 shower heads for some reason. There's this rainy one on the top. There's this one where you can like change the features, but not all the features work. And then there's this spigot, and the spigot doesn't work at all. So we're not really sure what to make of that. Also, once somebody has taken like a 5-minute shower, you can see there's no divider. So that means the entire bathroom is wet for hours after somebody takes a shower, which is a little inconvenient, but I mean, we've worked around it. So next is the kitchen, also fairly small. This is a full-size fridge, which is something we didn't see a lot in Japan, so we thought that was kind of interesting. It's nice to have the room. And over here is the stove, and there's no oven, only a stove. And the stove is a little interesting because it's completely flat. It's like a screen or something almost, and these buttons are not raised. It's like a touch screen oven almost. So that's kind of interesting. Not a whole lot to see in the kitchen either. So yeah, that is our apartment in Taipei, and now we're gonna head out for some fun in the city, so come join us. We hope you enjoyed our Taipei house tour, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up down below and leave us a comment because we'd love to hear from you. And subscribe to see our next video, which is going to be a tour of Taipei. Bye!